Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y22s, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this, you will need a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one or the other, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the phone, right over here. You'll see this little insert pin right here. There we go. So push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so this would be right here, and one SD card. Now you don't need to use two SIM cards if you don't want to. From there, carefully insert it back into the device, carefully because there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like pump out of its position, fall out, so yeah. Now once you insert the cards, they should start working right away, so let's see if we have any kind of notifications. We do have SD card notifications, so obviously that's working, and we already have reception bars, so obviously card is working as well. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.